this is Peter Farron with a quick guide on how to remove those annoying cookie consent pop-ups. So, just as an example, I'm going to refresh this site in a moment, and what you'll see is the usual cookie consent pop-up banner. Now, I have a Chrome extension. It's called Super Agent, and it took me quite a while to find it, but it's turning out to be pretty useful. So I'll just refresh this site now and you'll see it. There it is. It's not going to last long because it's auto filled by the extension. And the beauty of doing it this way is next time you visit the site you won't even see it because the preferences are remembered. I'll show you here. So just refresh that. You don't see it because it's already been pre-filled. So to do that, of course, this is in Chrome on a MacBook, but it'll work on any version of Chrome. Different from mobile, I have a different solution for that, which I'll share with you in a different video. If you click on the extensions icon here, and you go to Manage Extensions, and then you go to the menu on the left, and you choose Open the Chrome Web Store. You can search for Super Agent. There you go, it's popping up now. And install that one. You can see that it has some good reviews there, about 10,000. And you just click on the button here. It says remove for me because it's already installed. And once you do that, you'll have this little icon here. I would just right click and choose the option to pin it, so you can get to the options more easily until you're used to using it. So if I click on options, you'll see it's quite sophisticated. You can save your settings and it gives you some summaries here. So overall, I would recommend this. It's working pretty well. It doesn't get every single pop-up. I guess some are coded differently, but it certainly saves a lot of time. So that was a quick guide on how to autofill cookie pop-up consent boxes. So please like and subscribe before you go. Thank you very much.